Hi, I'm Katie Rutledge. I'm the facilitator for the Edge 21 Adventure West Tonka Elements course in the summer of 2018. I want to give you an overview of the course so you know what to expect this summer and where to look for different resources that you will need. You'll notice that the course is organized into folders and they should be completed in order. The first folder that you'll use is the Edge 21 Online Orientation folder. That folder contains a number of resources just to help you get started. There's a link to online expectations and a video that gives you a general overview of how to use Schoology and the resources you'll find in this course. There is also a course welcome letter that lays out what to expect in this course, including suggested pacing and how much time to spend on each section of the course. There's a road trip playlist for your entertainment and some information about earning Elite Traveler status. When you complete this orientation folder, then you need to respond to the reflection question at the bottom. Once you complete that question and respond to it, then the next folder that you will complete will open up for you. This first folder should be completed by Friday, June 1st. The second folder that you'll find in this Edge 21 course is the first content folder, Hit the Road, Learn. In this first folder, you'll be introduced to the 10 elements that are part of learning in West Tonka. The purpose of this unit is to expose you to the elements, to give you some initial information, spark some ideas, and help you figure out what these elements look like in your classroom and what you want to explore further. So this article linked in the description is a really helpful introduction. As you move through the folders, you'll find that we focus on 3 pillars. The first is student choice, the second is standards-based learning, and the third is customized learning path. Each of these 3 pillars has a discussion post with an introductory slideshow, and then an opportunity to respond to what you saw in that slideshow and identify what you think is most applicable in your classroom. The next folder that goes along with that is a list of resources. These are suggestions. You are definitely not expected to view and read and utilize all of these resources. They're just provided as additional information. You'll find that the same is true for the elements, standards-based learning elements pillar. There's a discussion post that includes a link to a slideshow that you should complete, and then an opportunity to respond. Again, there's a folder with suggested resources. You can view any that grab your attention, any that fit the direction that you want to head, but you're not expected to go through all of these. And lastly, the customized learning path folder. You've got a discussion post with a slideshow that offers information on this topic to give you some background knowledge, an opportunity to respond to that discussion post, and then suggested links and resources that you can pursue as needed. Once you've completed the Learn section, which should take you about 1 to 2 hours, you'll move on to the Explore section, Scenic Overlook. In this section, you will have the opportunity to explore one particular element that you feel is most relevant to your classroom or most interesting to you. The section is learner-driven, so that means that you will use the resources that are most helpful and focus on the topic that's most relevant to you. In this section, you will choose that element to explore and then locate 3 additional resources in addition to what you've already looked at in the Learn section. So you need to find your own books, websites, articles on the specific element that you are studying and discover how to integrate that element into your classroom. If you're choosing to collaborate with a coworker, which is encouraged, then each one of you should find 3 resources, or working together, you can come up with a list of at least 6 resources, 3 per traveler. Post a reflection that includes the title, link, a summary, and then ideas you'll use in your classroom. If you're struggling, these 4 websites house a wide variety of information, and those are a great place to go to find more resources. In addition, you've got an Elite Traveler status opportunity here that you are welcome to pursue. The next folder is Reach Your Destination, Apply. In this section, you will put your learning into action and you'll create materials that you will actually utilize in your classroom in the coming school year. Your project should be customized to what you need and what works best in your classroom. Again, you are encouraged and invited to collaborate with coworkers if you choose to. And if you do so, then the product that you create should reflect an additional amount of time and resources invested by multiple learners. So here, determine how you will integrate the elements of your choice and post your integration plan below. You've got a second Elite Traveler status opportunity here. You can create an integration plan for another element in your selected pillar if you choose to do so. The final folder in the course is unpacking. This includes your call to action and the course evaluation. So the final reflection will be posted here. Please complete the course evaluation to give feedback. And again, all of the Elite Traveler status opportunities are listed in this final document. A few other things to note. On the right-hand side, you'll see suggested pacing. The due dates are suggestions, they're not requirements, but that will help you stay on track to finish the course by the deadline, which is August 13th. If you have any questions throughout the course, please don't hesitate to contact me by email or by phone call. I'm happy to meet and offer more support as needed. Good luck and enjoy your journey.